Birds of a feather flock together.
It is an idiom used to express the association that people who have very similar interests and tendencies. It is an expression that you say which means people of the same type generally spend their time together. Mark is really interested in sports cars, and he is hanging around with those racing drivers. He has been joining their test drives. Yeah, birds of a feather flock together. It's known that he wants to be a racing driver like Alan Prost. Why do you think Grant is selfish?
His friends do not like sharing, neither does he. Birds of a feather flock together.